Right now, your team is wasting hours switching between apps just to get one thing done. You've got docs in one tab, tasks in another, and AI that's more hype than help. So we built something insane. A smart workspace where everything works together and your AI assistant follows you, whether you're in our application or not. This is FuseBase, and in the next 3 minutes, we're going to show you how saving 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there adds up to hours back in your day. Step 1, pick a template or build your own. Choose from sales, onboarding, internal training. There's literally something for everyone. And then boom, you have your layout. Step 2, drag over your files. PDFs, videos, audio, slides, PowerPoints, Word documents, doesn't matter. Step 3, this is where things get crazy. Add an agent. This is like ChatGPT, but it's trained on your stuff. It shows up in your browser like a sidekick. And you can ask it anything. What was my call on Monday with Jason like? Or show me calendar availability for me, Paul, and Denisha. Or help me write this proposal with Jim. And the best part is, these agents work directly in your customer portal or internal portal as well. So you can ask it questions directly in the portal. Would I like to see direct reports that roll up to Jim? Yes. Imagine you're a brand new hire learning a new system, like Salesforce. You open up Salesforce and you press a button and your bot automatically triggers, analyzes your screen, and tells you exactly what you need to do. So if you find yourself or your team drowning in admin tasks, let us show you how we can make these agents work for you today. Visit thefusebase.com to try it out now.